Hi, thanks for joining RMU IT Training. My name is Kevin, and today we'll talk about multiple, sharing, creating, and searching calendars. You can show multiple calendars on your main calendar at once. My calendars are the calendars that you have created. Other calendars are calendars that others have shared with you or ones that you have added, such as sporting events and holidays. These events will appear on your calendar as the color set by the calendar itself. You can change the color of a calendar by clicking on the downward arrow to the right of the name of that calendar and then choosing a color. You can choose a custom color too, so there's infinite choices. To display a calendar on your main calendar, click on it and it'll appear on your calendar. And to get rid of it, you can click right back on any of them, just to get them up or get them away. If you click on the arrow, you can also display only this calendar. So if you have a lot of calendars open at once and you just want to see a specific one, you can click on it and then display only that one. To create a calendar where it says My Calendars, click on that downward facing arrow to the right and click on Create New Calendar. This will bring us to our new calendar screen. You can add a descriptive name. I'll call this Training Calendar. You can add a description of it. This is optional. So training information. Add a location if you want, if you have a location for this calendar. You can pick a time zone and a country. And then you can also share this calendar right from here. If you make it public, anyone in the world can see it. You can share it with people at RMU, or you can share with specific people right here at the bottom. So I'll share this one with Selena. And then you can actually change permission settings for every person you add. You can allow them to see only if you're free or busy, see all the event details. They can make changes to the events, or they can make changes and manage sharing, which basically would be an owner of that calendar. Depending on who the person is, you can change these to what's logical for that situation. So maybe my boss wants to allow me to see when they're available to talk. They could probably share their calendar with me, saying see only free or busy, and hide the details. But maybe I will share my calendar with my boss, and I'll make changes and manage sharing because they should have the full rights over that. So you can create this calendar right from here. And now we have it open. We'll change the color and make it purple. So we can actually share this calendar a different way too if we wanted to add more people to it. If we click on the downward facing arrow and then click on share this calendar, it'll bring us to that same sharing page we had earlier. We can add more people this way. We can change the whole sharing options also. We'll go back to this calendar. Google's powerful search function is also in Calendar. If we click on the downward facing arrow to the far right of this search bar at the top, this will bring up some more options for us to view. We can search in all of our calendars or any specific calendar that we'd like. So maybe I want to search on the IT training calendar. I can search for events by what it is, maybe what's in the title, who's involved with it, where it is by location. Maybe I want to search for an event that doesn't include something, so I could put maybe just to narrow down our options even more, what it doesn't have. And then also a date range. So maybe I'm going to look for some calendar training, and I want to have the date range from today until Friday. So I can search that, and it'll bring up all results on all my calendars or on that calendar for calendar training. So it looks like it brought up two options. Calendar is somewhere in here, so we can see it there. All right, thanks for joining us today. We talked a little bit about multiple calendars, sharing these calendars, creating a new calendar, and then searching through Calendar for specific events.